Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a little cost. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another one. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Holidays are fast approaching us. And now we got something in here. Oh boy. Alright. Oh, this looks nice. Alright, here we go. This is coming from NUVENDING. This is a NUStand bamboo book holder. I like the bamboo stuff. Really good wood. You guys gotta check these company out. They got other goodies also you can check. And with the one click, you can follow them right there. NUVENDING. And then we cut. Here we go. Alrighty. Oh, come on. Here we go. NUVENDING right there. Check them out. And now let's take a look. Well, there's so many good things you can use this book holder stand. Like artwork you could do, tablets. I'll show you guys one in a second. Use it as a book stand, a laptop stand. If you're doing music, you could use it as for music. An iPad stand or any tablet stand. Cookbook stand, music stand. So, long time. There you go. Okay, we got that part covered. And now let's take a look. Got this package open up. And here we go. Oh, this is nice. End to end. Set it up in the back. Here's a kickstand. NUVENDING. Come on. Let me try to set it up. Alright guys, here's the back where the kickstand is. And the adjuster. Just gotta adjust it, screw it a little bit, and then slide it up and down. This thing moves. And there's that. You can have like a tablet. Maybe some artwork you could do on it. But really cool. And it comes with a ruler. Magnetic. I'll show you in a second. Put you guys down. There's a magnetic ruler. So that also comes with it as a bonus. And this little guy down here, that's where you go to hold your paper clip, your notes and stuff. Tablet, I'll show you. I got my iPhone and tablet right there. Or iPad or any kind of notepad you guys use. And right here, you got this. Flip that out. You have room for your pens and pencils. Sharpies. Take notes. this table. There we go. Hold on 1 sec. And these two little black pieces, they hold your notes, your notepad, tablet, iPad. That's where it holds it together. You can have it like sideways. You guys can see it like that way. So I mean, it holds a good amount of extra goodies. So you can have your phone there, tablet there, some serious networking. Since now we're gonna be in the second stage of lockdown, you guys might want to get this for somebody or yourself. Especially great for schooling. Keep a tablet there so you don't have to hold on to it. So really cool. Gotta love the bamboo style. Definitely nice job crafting this. So ruler comes with it. Everything's set. Tablets do not come with it, or phone does not come with it, but you get the bamboo and the ruler. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.